Navigating Customs Compliance, Specialized Bonds for Pharmaceutical Importers Unveiled. Welcome to our channel, where we provide expert guidance on customs brokerage and import processes. In this video, we will discuss customs bonds specifically designed for importers of pharmaceuticals. So, if you're involved in the pharmaceutical industry and looking to import goods, this topic is for you. Let's dive right in. A customs bond is a type of insurance required by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for importers to ensure compliance with customs laws and regulations. It acts as a guarantee that importers will fulfill their obligations, such as paying duties, taxes, and fees, and following customs procedures. Importing pharmaceuticals involves additional regulations and requirements due to the sensitive nature of these products. Customs bonds play a vital role in this process as they provide financial security to the CBP and ensure that importers of pharmaceuticals adhere to the necessary regulations. While there are general customs bonds available for importers, there are also specific bonds designed for the pharmaceutical industry. These bonds cater to the unique needs and risks associated with importing pharmaceutical products. Pharmaceutical products require extra measures to ensure safety and security during transportation and storage. Specific customs bonds for pharmaceuticals may include provisions that address these requirements, such as maintaining proper temperature controls and adherence to good distribution practices, GDP. Importers of pharmaceuticals must comply with the regulations set by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Customs bonds tailored for pharmaceutical importers may include provisions that specifically address FDA regulations, ensuring that the imported products meet the necessary standards and guidelines. Proper classification of pharmaceutical products is essential for customs clearance. Specific customs bonds may provide guidance on the classification process, helping importers accurately categorize their products and comply with applicable tariff rates and regulations. Customs bonds highlight the responsibilities of importers, especially in the pharmaceutical industry. These bonds emphasize the need for importers to ensure the accuracy of documents, maintain proper record-keeping, and promptly report any changes or discrepancies in their shipments. Pharmaceutical importers also need to navigate intellectual property rights regulations to ensure they are not importing counterfeit or infringing products. Specific customs bonds may address IPR concerns, emphasizing the importance of complying with patent, trademark, and copyright laws. The bond amount required for pharmaceutical importers can vary based on factors such as the type and quantity of pharmaceuticals being imported, the importer's history of compliance, and the level of risk associated with the products. It is important for importers to work with customs brokers to determine the appropriate bond amount for their specific needs. Importers have two options when it comes to customs bonds: a continuous bond or a single entry bond. A continuous bond covers all importations made by the importer for a specific period, usually 1 year, while a single entry bond is used for one-time importation. The choice between these bonds depends on the importer's import frequency and volume. For small or infrequent importers of pharmaceuticals, who may not require a continuous bond, there are options available, such as a single transaction bond or an importer variance bond. These options provide flexibility for importers while still fulfilling customs requirements. Navigating the customs bond requirements for the pharmaceutical industry can be complex. It is highly recommended for importers to partner with a knowledgeable customs broker who can guide them through the process, ensure compliance, and help determine the right type and amount of bond required. Customs bonds specifically designed for importers of pharmaceuticals play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with customs regulations, FDA requirements, and intellectual property rights. Importers in the pharmaceutical industry must understand the importance of these bonds and work with a customs broker to determine the most suitable bond type and amount for their specific needs. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to our upcoming videos for more valuable information and tips on customs brokerage and import processes.